So it's the 1-year anniversary of the Roam Freefoil kit, and I just wanted to share our experience from this year of it getting through the year and actually having a place in the foil industry and in the foil world. So I'm just going to go for a little pump here and have a chat with you about where it started, where it is, and where it's going. Okay, it's always a risk introducing a new wing to the market, especially one that is as unusual as this big, because you don't know how the market's going to react. Still one of the biggest foils in the world at 2,800 centimeters square surface area. I don't know if there's a bigger one than that. It may be the biggest as far as surface area. It's been an awesome year. I go very few days without actually using this thing, and it's for this purpose: exploring around and jumping from beach to beach, rock to rock, driftwood, floating around, whatever I can jump off of. Never knew I could have this much fun on a foil. This one is a monster when it comes to starting. This is what helps define free foiling and adventuring on these things, is it's easy to start anywhere. You don't need to take an extra step, you just hop and go. You don't need to be a pro to use this thing. You can be a beginner and learn on it, and you're still going to be using it when you're an expert, because it's going to be your adventurer, going to be your free foil. Being able to just take off from a beach, not knowing where you're going to end up, and just being able to spot something on the edges, using that as a takeoff point again, is exhilarating. The biggest change we made this year is to the fuselage. We realized with our heavier riders, which this foil appeals to, they get a less favorable sway when they're on top of the board. So we strengthened the fuselage. We adjusted it several ways to make it sway less, and on top of that we made it more durable in the process. So that's one of the big changes we made to the fuse, and it makes the overall free foil kit so much better. The other thing is we introduced a new rear stabilizer. It's not going to come with the stock kit. It's an upgrade because it's an advanced stabilizer. It's very sharp, but it gives you a higher cadence on foil. So you'll be able to pump at a higher frequency, and it just makes the whole thing feel different and fun. We got it in the hands of a lot of people now, hearing their stories about other people getting obsessed with this sport, because that's really what happens. You get obsessed with this sport. You'll dream about it. Last year we knew we had something with the free foil, but after a year of using it, now we really know we have something objectively, and that's going to stick around in the market for a long time. It's one of those foils that you just like more over time as you find out what else it can do for you, what it's capable of. Getting shallow around here. You're just getting into the sport and you're plus or minus 80 kilos. This is a great place to start. If you're lighter, we got smaller kits. But, oh, algae bloom, can I make it? Get shallow, I'm gonna turn. Get me to a launch. Come get into this sport. It's as close as, yeah, it's like magic. And there, I'm gonna try to take off right there. I found a checkpoint. We built our company around this thing. We offer other wings, but this one's our staple. This is the beginnings. We couldn't be prouder. Now I'm pumping against wind. I'm going home. So you won't be breaking any speed records with this free foil. But what's better than that is using it as an explorer and just taking your time, puttering around, taking a break, finding new launch spots, and continuing and having an awesome day and a great workout.